What if I told you Ford once built a camper where the engine sits between the seats like an unwanted third passenger? And what if I told you it somehow became one of the coolest rolling time capsules of the 1960s? Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the moment I first laid eyes on a 1965 Ford Econoline travel wagon camper. I believe my neighbor Timmy thought I'd lost my mind because I stood there grinning like I'd discovered buried treasure behind the grocery store. But honestly, this rig has the charm, the quirks, and the personality of the 1960s wrapped into one compact forward control time capsule. Before I roll into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I think you'll enjoy sticking around for more vintage metal, questionable jokes, and campers that smell vaguely like nostalgia and old plywood. Now, the Econoline travel wagon. This machine was built back when Ford thought putting the engine between the seats. Under that doghouse sits a 170 cubic inch inline-six, 2.8 liters, kicking out just enough horsepower to make you feel optimistic. It's paired with a 3-speed manual transmission mounted proudly on the steering column, the kind of shifter that makes you pray your passenger isn't holding hot coffee. Painted in honey gold with Wimbledon white accents, this van stands 176 inches long, 447 centimeters, on a 90-inch wheelbase, 228 centimeters. I liked the most that the seller refreshed the gold paint in 2018, added a new clutch, new brakes, and even replated the bumpers. It rides on 15-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels with BF Goodrich radial TA tires. It's also equipped with overload shocks and leaf-sprung solid axles front and rear, which means you'll feel every rock, pebble, and mosquito you drive over. Inside, the Calthorpe aluminum pop top lifts high enough for a man like me to stand proudly, as long as I don't forget to duck at the wrong moment. The cabin features a dinette, folding table, sink, icebox, and a portable Instalight propane stove. Sleeping for 4 is possible thanks to the upper cots, assuming your friends trust 60-year-old fabric. Updated Dodge Caravan seats give it a bit of modern comfort, and the odometer shows 59,000 miles, 94,951 kilometers. Back in 2019, one of these sold at auction for around $10,250, which is roughly 9,300 euros today. Considering what vintage campers cost now, I think that was a steal. And of course, there's a link under the video. It's always under the video. I don't hide it behind the fridge. If you want to support the channel and become a sponsor for just $1, I'd appreciate it. And hey, for $1, I promise I won't spend it all on carburetor cleaner. Sponsorship link is in the description below.